Deshna and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to do something different. As you guys know, I've recently joined TikTok and I'm obsessed. And there are actually some really interesting things to see on TikTok. Nowadays, any viral content that is being shared on all social media platforms starts from TikTok. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out some very viral TikTok recipes and I'm going to see if they actually taste good or not. I'm going to be trying out 4 different recipes that are very easy to make, that are also very easily available right now in this current situation. I'm very excited because all of these sound amazing. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. First recipe we're gonna try is the classic Dalgona coffee. Ever since quarantine started in this whole entire world, this coffee was the first thing to go viral and literally everyone was making it. I'm very late to the trend, but I thought why not still include it in this video. The first attempt of making Dalgona coffee was a major fail. I kind of realized what the problem is. The coffee that I used yesterday was like a very different sort of coffee. It was instant coffee, but not the kind of instant coffee that makes Dalgona. So one thing to keep in mind is that use the very powdery kind of instant coffee. I took like 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of hot boiling water, and no matter how much I was whisking it, I tried to whisk with my hand, I tried to whisk with my mixer, and it was just not working out. And trust me guys, I tried to whisk for like solid 30 minutes. I tried it 2 to 3 different times. So today we actually ended up getting the proper instant coffee powder that is used for making this one. I used brew, and because I had a hand mixer, I think it got ready in like 5 to 7 minutes. This was the final Dalgona coffee. Finally, I got it right. So we have the Dalgona coffee here. I would have preferred it to give it a little more time so it can get even more fluffy. Obviously, that little thing is really not going to change the taste. So we're still going to try it. But yeah, look how pretty it looks. So excited to try it. I'm not really a very huge coffee drinker, but I do enjoy the occasional cold coffee. Cheers. Whoa, that is so strong, but it tastes amazing. It is definitely very strong, but because it's also chilled, like it's cold and strong, it just makes a perfect combination. Still haven't tried Dalgona. I think you can give it a shot. It tastes really good. It's not that hard, but it's definitely easy if you have a hand mixer. Can you guys see how frothy and foamy it is? Okay, so now I completely understand the hype behind Dalgona coffee, even though we Indians have been doing it for many years. So I'm gonna go and enjoy this, and you guys check out the next thing that I tried. So the second recipe that I attempted were these cereal pancakes. I think cereal pancakes are the recent addition to all the viral TikTok food videos. It is the most ridiculous thing, but it also kind of makes sense. You can just take your regular pancake batter. For this, all you need is 1 cup of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of room temperature butter, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now mix it all in. Keep adding milk until you get that pancake consistency, and then I just stick it in the fridge for 30 minutes, and this is your pancake batter. You make them into very miniature pancakes, and there's just something very cute about it. I honestly thought it's going to take forever to make like a lot of cereal pancakes, but it actually surprisingly didn't take that much time at all. Now, as you can see in the TikTok videos, a lot of people use that ketchup bottle that dispenses the perfect amount of pancake batter, but because I didn't have that, I just ended up using a very small spoon. They aren't proper perfect circles as you can see, but they were like small and cute. Just topped them off with my favorite caramel sauce. Okay, so we have the pancake cereal right here, and I actually like gave half of it to my parents because obviously I'm not going to eat all of it. Even though they're like in mini shapes, the taste really isn't going to change. So taste wise, I obviously know what this is going to taste like. Classic pancake. Can you guys see? It does look like a cereal, doesn't it? It does look like cornflakes, just no milk. I've seen a lot of people on TikTok actually add milk as well and eat it like a proper cereal in milk, but I just don't like milk in general. So overall, I'm actually pretty happy with this. Will I make this again? Probably not, unless I just have a lot of free time and I'm getting very bored and I just want to make some fun little snacks for myself and my family. But as an idea, it is a pretty cute idea. Also, you guys, let me know in the comments down below, are you more of a pancake person or a waffle person? I personally love pancakes. I'm gonna finish this up and I'll catch you guys later, but you guys see the next recipe. Third recipe that I have is this deep fried Oreos. So this is kind of a hybrid between pancake and Oreos, and it sounds like the most unhealthiest thing ever, but I wanted to try it out. This kind of was very interesting because this was like Oreo mixed with pancake batter. As you guys saw in the previous recipe, we already made a pancake batter, so I ended up using the same pancake batter to make this deep fried Oreos. Basically, all you have to do is buy some Oreo biscuits, dip it in the pancake batter, and then just fry them in hot oil. That's it. It's the most simplest thing. Let me tell you guys, this smelled insane. It smelled like donuts, and I don't know why. That was just very surprising to me. I was very excited to see how it tasted. So guys, we have the Oreo fried dough cookies here, and look at that. It looks so yummy actually, and I really wish you guys could smell these. So if this tastes like a donut, I'm definitely going to make it again. Let's take a bite. Oh my god, is that Nutella all over my teeth? Yeah, probably. Look how cute it looks on the inside. You can see the Oreo and the dough and the Nutella on top. This tastes exactly like a donut. It's a good thing that I just have two to eat because yeah, we're not trying to get fat this quarantine. And you guys, check out the next snack. Okay guys, so we're gonna move on to the last and final recipe, and this one I think is the easiest recipe that I found on TikTok, which again has gone viral. And I think the reason why it's viral is because first of all, it's super easy to make, like literally anyone can make it, and it's with ingredients that are easily available. So this is like a 2-ingredient mug cake. So all you need is some milk and some Oreos. Again, another Oreo. There's just something about Oreos that makes it very easy to make it into different recipes. Here I've used 2 Oreo biscuits, as you can see, and then I added some milk. Now one mistake that I did, which I realized a lot of people also have done, is that I ended up adding too much milk. There's no like specific quantity to how much milk you should add, so you just have to kind of eyeball it, but take it from my experience, add very little amount of milk. So I ended up adding another Oreo. Initially I just wanted to make with 2, but I had to add another one, so I used 3 biscuits, and then you just have to microwave it for a minute. So I ended up giving this another 30 seconds, and it was still like mildly moist or liquidy, I would say. Sorry if the word moist triggers you. Well cooked, so I just stopped the process right there. Here we have the mug cake. Not gonna lie, I think this one was the recipe that I was most nervous about, because mug cakes generally for me are a hit or a miss. There's no in between, and this one is so simple that it kind of makes me worried that it might not be that great. If you're gonna try this, fingers crossed guys, pray for me. It's not great. I honestly thought it's gonna taste delicious, but it's not the worst thing in the world. I feel like if I just add some Nutella on top, that will kind of mask the whole taste. It's not very sweet. I think Oreo as a biscuit itself is a very sweet biscuit, like chocolatey and sweet. But when you make it in a cake, you actually have to add a little bit of sugar. It is not as sweet. I honestly thought that it's going to be sweet, but it's not. The texture is very cake-like, or at least very mug cake-like. Will I make this again? Definitely not, because I've already had way too many sweet things today. So I'm gonna add some Nutella, go and share this with my family. We are done trying some of the TikTok recipes. That brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoyed this TikTok viral foods video, and if you want me to do like a part 2 of like more trying out TikTok food videos. I would love to do that. I think this was a lot of fun. Definitely going to be making those fried Oreos. Let me know which recipe you are interested in trying. Also, please give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.